Summer is almost here, and that means long, lazy days spent at home. With 3 months of summer, you're going to need to fill that time somehow. Your local library is a great place to find fun activities and great books, even online. Let's start by learning how to get a library card, and then I can show you some of the amazing things that card allows you to access. To start, visit our website at berkslibraries.org. Click on My Account in the top right-hand corner of the screen. At the top of the page, you will see a message that says, if you don't have a library card, click here to register now. You have to be 13 or older to complete the registration, so have a grown-up help you if you're younger than 13. Fill out the form and a librarian will follow up with your new card. Your library card gives you access to a ton of new items from our digital collection. Visit our eBooks and More tab for information on how to get started with reading and listening to books online. Don't forget, our free Overdrive and Libby apps can be downloaded straight to your phone or mobile device. It's an entire library in your pocket, ready whenever you are. If you don't have a library card but want to borrow books from our digital collection, you can use your phone number to sign up for an instant digital card. This card gives you access to the books and audiobooks on Overdrive as well as the Libby app. Our librarians have collected links to free activities available at this time to keep you busy. Visit berkslibraries.org/coronavirus-updates and click on Families and Kids to find free books, links to virtual field trips, and other suggestions for activities to keep you entertained and learning all summer long. Our younger library users should check out Tumble Books. You can start reading these free books for grades K through 6 without a library card. For older kids, Teen Book Cloud offers books for grades 6 and up. Looking for audiobooks for teens or adults? You can download 2 free audiobooks every week through a program called Sync Audio. To get started, register on audiobooksync.com. That's audiobooksync.com. Have you completed our stay-at-home bingo yet? Download the bingo board, complete activities, and when you get bingo, submit them in our Google form for a certificate that gives you bragging rights as the coolest kid who ever played bingo. If you have a question, are looking for something specific, or just need some help, fill out the Library Support Center form. It can be found on the front page of berkslibraries.org, and we'll answer your question within 48 hours. This summer, make sure you also check out what your local library has to offer. Many libraries are currently offering free virtual activities, such as story times, chapter readings, science activities, and more. They're hard at work planning their summer learning programs, or Summer Quest, to keep you having fun all summer long. Read, learn, and engage your curiosity at the library this summer.